Lay down.
No. No.
Stop talking.
Oh my God.
Stop talking.
I don't want to die.
Stay there.
Are you kidding me right now?
One of my officers.
I'm calling my goddamn attorney.
Good.
Get your
Call him.
hands off of me.
You're going to jail. Ma'am, step out of the vehicle now.
Oh
You're under arrest for driving under the influence of alcohol, chemical, or dangerous substance.
Some people believe they can use their personal power to bend the rules, even when faced with the law. Today, we will witness these Karens attempting a bold power play during a traffic stop. But unfortunately for them, the no-nonsense cops they encounter aren't one to back down.
You're not listening.
You get back in the car.
You're not listening to
My
these
twin
exercises.
sister.
Get back in the car. We're trying to deal with it.
That's my
Listen.
twin. Don't tell me to get back in the car.
I
That's
will
my
tell you to
twin
get back in
sister.
the car. Get in the car.
And talk to me. I don't want to die.
Why are you acting like a
didn't do
child?
anything.
Why are you acting like a child?
You get out of the car again, you're going to jail for resisting obstruction.
I'm not
You understand?
resisting.
I didn't do anything wrong.
You should stop
I gotta
talking.
go to the potty so bad. Please.
What happens when their power play backfires spectacularly? The answer awaits in this video. Please hit the like button and subscribe to Cop Stream for more intense, jaw-dropping moments. Now let's jump in. The first incident brings us back to February 4th, 2023, when an officer stopped a driver for reckless driving after she failed to respond promptly to emergency lights and sirens. Instead of pulling over immediately, the driver continued for about a quarter of a mile before stopping.
Out of the vehicle now.
You're going to record this.
Get out of the vehicle now. Stay there.
Upon approach, the officer informed her that she had been speeding, clocked at 52 mph in a 30 mph zone, and failing to yield to the police.
Hey, I'm Officer J, Seymour Police Department.
Hi.
Okay. Any particular reason you decided to drive while I decided to pull you over? Engage my traffic signals, my red and blue lights at the intersection when you proceeded forward and you didn't.
Spot. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, so that's quite a bit of distance, okay?
There. I knew there was a spot here to this road. Okay. That's
Okay, look, if you're gonna argue with me, go ahead,
Yeah.
step out of the
No, I'm
vehicle.
not gonna argue.
Step out of the vehicle for me. Ma'am, step out of the vehicle for me.
I pulled over.
Ma'am, step out of the vehicle now! Step out of your vehicle.
You don't have to yell at me.
Step out of your vehicle. Step out of your vehicle now. You're resisting law enforcement now. Cruised probably about a quarter of a mile, okay? Step out of your vehicle now. Step out of your vehicle.
I'm gonna. Don't do that.
Let's go.
Don't.
Get
pull
out
me
of the vehicle now.
Right now.
Get out of the vehicle. I have told you numerous times on body camera, I've given you lawful commands. Step out of your vehicle.
First, her actions violated Florida statute SIS 3.072.3, which mandates drivers to yield to emergency vehicles. Failure to comply is a non-criminal moving violation, punishable by fines up to $500 and points on her license. Additionally, her speeding violated Florida statute 316.183, which prohibits driving at speeds greater than the posted limit. This infraction could lead to fines and potential license penalties depending on her record. When the officer requested her to exit the vehicle, the driver refused repeatedly and became increasingly combative, insisting on her rights and demanding to call her attorney. The driver's refusal to provide identification also further compounded her legal troubles.
I will.
I've asked you countless times.
God.
Get out of your vehicle now.
What's your name?
Get out of your vehicle now.
What's your name?
Get out of your vehicle now.
Legally, you have to tell me.
Legally, you are not complying with lawful
I
commands.
am.
I've asked you numerous times, get out of your vehicle now.
Easy way or step out?
Can I ask that he not be involved in
No.
this?
He's right there, just step out.
I will deal with you.
Okay, step out then.
Step out.
I'm telling you to step out, so step out.
Where's my phone?
Step
Get me
out.
through.
Lay down.
No. No.
Right now, he is in charge.
I'm allowed to have my phone.
Put your
Ma'am.
hand on your back.
What is happening?
You're choosing the hard way.
Yes, I am.
Take it to the back of the front of my car.
Come on. What's your name, miss?
Better
stop.
You are resisting. Look at you. Stand right here.
I want my phone. I have a legal goddamn right to my phone.
Okay. Stay there.
Are you kidding me right now?
Stay there.
You get the
Right here. Now chill out. You're getting worked up for nothing right now.
Okay, everything I have done. Okay, so you don't have to talk to me. I'm gonna tell you what I'm doing, okay? My radar clocked you at 52 miles an hour in a 30 zone. Proceeded to drive illuminated. I engaged my traffic signal to conduct a traffic stop due to your speeding behavior. For probably an estimated quarter or 1/3 of a mile to pull over here. You are either A, intoxicated and unaware you are getting pulled over, B, you are concealing contraband or something illegal by waiting. I can understand you want a safe place to pull over. I can appreciate that. Several other places you could have turned in and made an easy right-hand turn. You turned in and then proceeded to drive forward, resisting law enforcement with the vehicle, which is a felony in the state of Indiana. Second, I engaged you up here.
Her refusal to comply with lawful commands violated Florida statute, State 43.02, which criminalizes resisting an officer without violence. This is a first-degree misdemeanor in Florida, carrying penalties of up to 1 year in jail, a $1,000 fine, or both. By ignoring lawful orders, she escalated the situation unnecessarily, risking further legal consequences.
I tried to explain and tried to question, ma'am, why did you not stop? Why did you not stop? And you proceeded to be argumentative because I do not know what is in your vehicle. You've also possibly committed a felony in my presence, so I removed you numerous times.
Hey Siri.
I asked you numerous times to step from the vehicle.
Did you?
You did not. We're on body camera. Okay?
Oh, we are.
No, we're
Hey
not.
Siri, call Blake.
I'll put it in your...
Direct you away from one of my
I'm
officers.
calling my goddamn attorney.
Good.
Get your
Call him.
hands off of me.
You're going to jail.
I haven't done anything wrong.
You want to talk to me? What's your name?
Why I pulled you over and you were non-compliant.
I was compliant.
No, ma'am. I have every right. Are you going to argue with me or am I going to let me explain?
I was compliant.
Ma'am.
To everything.
Ma'am, no, we had to try to pull you out of your car multiple times.
That's fine.
Do you have a driver's license?
Sure do.
Where is it at? Is it in your car? You want to talk to me, all right? So this is it. Where's your driver's license?
My phone.
You're not going to call anybody?
Why?
Because I said
You're detained right now, ma'am. You are resisting law enforcement.
I'm still allowed to call me. Yes, I am.
No, you're not.
Yes, I
Like I said,
am.
we're not arguing, so...
Okay.
Identify yourself.
As tensions grew, the officer removed her from the vehicle and detained her. During the encounter, alcohol was discovered in her car. In this case, she was charged with operating while intoxicated, OWI, under Florida statute 316.193. OWI is a serious offense in Florida. For a first conviction, it is a misdemeanor, punishable by up to 6 months in jail, fines ranging from $500 to $1,000, and license suspension for 6 to 12 months. The discovery of alcohol, coupled with her behavior, sealed her fate.
Are you calling 51?
We're going to inventory because you're getting towed right now. And you can step back again.
Stop doing that.
Then stop
I am not
encroaching other
aggressive.
officers.
Stay.
This
Right
is
there.
Insane. You know it is.
Where's your license at?
In my license. This is goddamn insane. You
Center.
fucking know it is.
It's in her wallet. What's your name?
It's on my license.
Okay, what's your name?
If I give you my license, you're gonna go the fuck home.
Nope.
Guess what?
Ma'am,
You wanted to arrest me the second you pulled me the fuck over.
I questioned you why you failed to stop in
I
time.
told you I wanted to pull over in a safe
Okay, argumentative.
No, I didn't. Yeah, I wanted to pull over in a safe spot. I know this goddamn area. I knew that this was here. I knew I
Okay.
wasn't in the street then.
Okay.
I knew what the fuck I was doing.
Okay, so I know why I engaged you in a traffic stop
and I
and
explained
when.
to you why I did what I did.
And-
that wasn't good enough. And you grabbed me in my goddamn car.
You're right.
For no reason.
I told you numerous times to step from your vehicle.
Not numerous. I asked you what the was going on.
You're disregarding that.
Can you get the hair out of my fucking mouth? Since I can't do it.
So are you drinking it all tonight, ma'am?
Just lean
I
back.
am myself now.
Lean back. Lean against the car.
I want to call my attorney.
As soon as you lean against the car, stay against the car.
Hey Siri, call Blake.
Well, I'll keep hanging up.
You said as soon as I lean against the car.
Okay, so what were you doing before then?
That's from my goddamn house. I don't know what the problem is.
What's going on tonight?
Nothing.
Nothing.
I'm going to my goddamn house. He lit me up at this goddamn street light, and I pulled over where it was f***ing safe.
Where are you leaving from?
Leaving from.
Kind of does this point.
No, it doesn't. Hey Siri,
It's
call
turned
Blake.
off. You can get your car to the jail. If that's where you
You
end
guys
up.
are taking me to jail.
If that's where you end up tonight, then yes.
Stick complex. My balls are bigger than yours and they're on my chest.
Cool.
I don't have a problem with you.
Okay. Look, that's why I'm here.
And you know better.
I can look you in the face just fine.
Yeah, I mean,
I've been outside for the past 4 hours.
chill.
In the end, this Karen faced charges for resisting an officer without violence, operating while intoxicated. Her vehicle was impounded, and she was transported to the police station for processing.
Police station right now. I'm going to give you the option to do field sobriety tests with one of my officers, one of my supervisors, okay? I will apply for a warrant with the judge, okay?
Can you start over again and say what you said?
Okay, you will be transported back to Seymour Police Department by one of my fellow officers, okay? You've been drinking this evening, okay? So, due to what we see in the alcohol in there, transpired this evening, okay, you can either perform standard field sobriety tests at SPD, we'll apply for a warrant with the judge for a draw.
So if I go to police station, I don't have to deal with you?
Nope, you can deal with somebody else.
I don't want to deal with you.
Okay.
How much is J4?
Yeah.
Okay, that's fine. Got your phone, wallet, keys, and your Apple Watch, all right? Give me 1 minute while I clean out the seat. What? Let me clean out the back for you. Right here. What do you need? Your hair?
On my face.
All right. Better? Yeah. Go ahead and sit in there for me. Left, not right. That way.
No, I heard you.
You could turn it left.
I just don't know why.
I don't want somebody biting me, you know what I'm saying? I hear you. But it happens all the time. I don't want to have it me.
By the end of the encounter, the woman is arrested for resisting law enforcement, OWI, and using her vehicle as a means to avoid cooperation. If only she decided to cooperate from the start, she might have avoided jail time or at least reduced her fines. But no, she's stuck in the legal quicksand now, all because she just couldn't let the officer do his job. And remember, in the legal world, resisting might give you a momentary win, but it's definitely not the one you'll want to brag about later.
Watching someone turn a simple traffic stop into a legal disaster is always fascinating. Ironically, her cries about knowing the law didn't stop her from breaking it repeatedly. It's a textbook lesson in how not to handle a traffic stop, and a reminder that digging your heels in only buries you deeper.
You white, I'm black, I don't want to
So
get
you're
killed. Go to the bathroom so bad it hurt. Oh my God, it hurts so bad. My hands are up, I don't have no weapons. Please don't choke me or hurt me, please.
All right, why don't we move to the next case and see what grabs our attention? The incident began when a woman was pulled over for speeding at 71 mph. The routine stop quickly escalated into chaos as she turned what could have been a simple ticket into a dramatic ordeal.
Officer Flame Palmy Stars, the reason I pulled you over is you're on 71 miles an hour.
Oh,
You have your license, registration, insurance?
I'm so sorry, sir. So bad it hurt. Oh my God, it hurts so bad. Oops, wrong thing. I'm sorry.
All right, give me 1 second.
Sir.
If you would go ahead and step out of me real quick, I want to make sure you're all set to drive. We'll have you on your way home, okay?
What do you mean set to drive, sir? I'm not having any sense, but I'm scared right now. So why would you think I'm gonna live in influence, sir?
When the officer approached, he immediately noted signs of impairment. However, she denied drinking and accused the officer of targeting her because of her race. She repeatedly raised her hands, claiming she was unarmed, and refused to follow instructions.
Hi. Oh, I'm not having any sense, but I'm scared. He's looking in my purse.
No, I'm not. Because I can smell it, I can see it. Well, your speech is slurred, your eyes are watery, I can smell it coming out of the car. So if you would go and step out, we'll make sure you're all set and we'll have you on your way home, okay?
We're gonna record it. You say
We're recording it too. We got 2 cameras and the one on the car.
you can see and smell alcohol on me.
If you're all right to drive, you'll be on your way home and there'll be no problem.
Exactly, but what are you trying to do to me right now?
I'm trying to make sure you're all set to drive, that you're not driving under the influence.
Call Jimmy or somebody to come here. I'm scared right now.
to come here right
No, I'm calling my little brother, and I have the right to.
First, her actions violated Florida statute SES 316.193, which criminalizes driving under the influence, DUI. In Florida, a first DUI offense carries penalties, including up to 6 months in jail, fines ranging from $500 to $1,000, mandatory probation, and a minimum license suspension of 6 months. These penalties reflect the serious risk impaired driving poses to public safety.
All right, I'm scared too that you're not getting out of the car, so go ahead and step out, please,
I'm
okay?
in the car, so I'm turning on the light. My hands are up. I know I'm black. I'm not a threat.
I know I'm a police officer, and I don't know why you're acting like that.
Hold on.
Nobody's hands are on their guns, so please go ahead and step out. Hands are up too, let's go. Please step out, man.
Wait.
Please come on out.
I'll come out.
You're not doing it, though.
Please don't touch
You're not
me.
doing it.
I'm just afraid.
You've already got 2 cameras on you. Go ahead and step out, let's go.
Oh my God.
Come on back over here.
Where do you want me to
Where
go?
my finger's pointing. Please go ahead and stand over there.
Please don't say this is happening.
Okay, do you have any medical condition with your eyes?
I'm because you white, I'm black. I don't want to
So
get
you're
killed.
racist. So why are you being racist?
The husband is
Stop.
white.
Stop now. Come on over here. Stop doing that.
Okay,
Stop acting like this.
did.
You're acting like a child. Come on over here.
I just walked
you
the
need to
line.
listen.
My hands are
no.
up. I have
Did
no
I tell
weapons.
you to walk?
I promise you I don't have anything,
what
sir.
What is your name?
You got my license, sir.
Really
you got my license.
All you have to do.
Oh my God,
Why
I
are you
walked
not
the right
listening?
line.
Why are you not listening?
I walked the right line. Hurt me, please.
What's your name? Go ahead and stand right here for me. Bring your feet together, hands at your sides.
I haven't done anything. I had to go to the potty really bad.
You're not listening. Are you listening?
You told me to stand right here.
No, I told you to stand right here.
Well, I gotta come so close to you. I'm afraid to come close to you.
And call your Taylor warnings, okay?
Oh my God.
As the officer continued to explain the process, this Karen escalated the situation, refusing to follow simple instructions for field sobriety tests. She accused the officer of attempting to harm her and repeatedly shouted over him.
Oh my God.
Stop talking.
That's my twin sister.
Get back in the car. We're trying to deal with it.
That's my
Listen.
Don't tell me to get back in the car.
I will tell you to get back in the car, but get in the car.
And talk to me.
I don't want to die.
Why are you acting like a
do
child?
anything.
Why are you acting like a child? You get out of the car again, you're going to jail for resisting obstruction. You understand?
I didn't do anything wrong.
I want you to stop
gotta
talking.
go to the potty so bad. Please, my hands are
I want you to stop talking.
My hands are all. What do you want me to do? Oh my God.
Stop talking. Lower your hands. Put your hands down. Follow instructions. Lower your hands.
I'm scared. I don't have no weapons.
You need to listen right now, okay?
God.
You're being advised of your Taylor warnings. If you do not cooperate and participate in these exercises, you're driving under the influence of alcohol, chemical, or controlled substance. I did not tell you to walk the straight line.
You told me to walk a straight
No,
line.
I asked you if your inaction to participate in these exercises will force me to make an arrest based on the totality of the circumstances will be used against you in court. Are you willing to do these exercises?
I don't know
yes
what
or
you
no?
said. I'm so afraid right now.
Okay, so I'm going to tell you one more time. Make an arrest based on the totality of the circumstances, and it will be used against you in a court of law. Are you willing to do these exercises? Place your hands down at your sides.
I'm scared.
Place your hands down at your sides.
Why?
He is under the influence because
I
you're
am
told
not
that
under the influence,
Then put your
ma'am.
hands down at your side.
Why do I have to? I'm afraid. I don't want him to think I got weapons. Oh my God, I'm afraid.
Okay.
My
Ma'am.
hands are up. I have
Ma'am.
nothing. Ma'am, you
Right
accuse
now.
me of drinking. I know.
She didn't accuse you of anything.
She
just trying
said
to
she
speak
must
to
be
you.
under influence.
you're
Exercise
not
you want me to
listening.
do. I'm afraid to come
I
close
want
to
you to stand
I
right.
don't
Well,
want
if you come close to me, I'm going to come close to you.
Okay, what do
so
you
bring
want
your
me to
feet
do?
together,
What do you
hands
want?
at your
My
sides.
free- I don't have any
hands
weapons,
at your
sir.
sides.
I don't
Nobody
have
said
any
you have a
weapons.
weapon.
I have nothing. Nothing.
You see the top of this pen?
Oh my God.
Your hands to your sides.
Morel, did you call for help?
Lower your help is here.
I hope. No, you're not my
You
help.
see the top of this pen?
Oh my God,
Listen.
not being racist. I'm afraid for my life, dude.
Why? Because you are being
Why are
racist.
you behind me, sir? You ready to take me down?
In this case, her refusal to comply and her disruptive behavior constituted resisting arrest, violating Florida statute, SAT 43.02. Resisting an officer without violence is a first-degree misdemeanor in Florida, punishable by up to 1 year in jail, a $1,000 fine, or both. Despite multiple warnings, her defiance persisted, forcing the officer to place her under arrest. Her dramatic claims, including accusations of excessive force and fear for her life, continued even after being handcuffed.
I didn't do nothing. I don't want to get hurt. I
see the
don't
top of
want
this
to die tonight.
You're going to follow this
I
with
just
your...
don't want to die tonight.
You're going to
Please
follow
don't
this.
kill
Stop
me.
talking.
I didn't do
10:15.
nothing.
10:15.
Oh
You're
my
under
God.
arrest for driving under the influence of
Oh,
alcohol,
I'm
chemical, or
not.
controlled substance.
Because you failed. He told you a couple times.
No, I'm so
You failed.
afraid.
Well, you shouldn't have been.
Failed to
There's no
listen.
need.
Oh my
Everybody has.
God.
You don't even have tears.
It's all
You
an
just
act.
kept saying
She's being
that.
racist out here.
Morel, can I ask for the supervisor? Can I have the supervisor?
Sure, I will call the supervisor for you.
Morel, come get my drink. Oh, she threw my stuff on the ground.
right
She
there.
threw my stuff on the ground.
Yes, I
Taking it up gently.
What
There's
is
no
going
need to yell
on?
like
What did
One
my
bracelet.
sister do? I want to be safe.
Ain't nothing going on.
Is this connected?
My God,
Stop.
are you
Is it
taking
sewn
my
in?
wig off? It
Is
is.
it sewn in? Then you'll take it off at the counter.
You are being arrested because you didn't participate in the exercise.
Sir, I walked the straight line.
I didn't tell you to walk the
I
straight
walked
line.
the straight line. I got to pee so bad.
I wonder why you got to pee so bad.
I was drinking a lot of water. I had sparkling water. It's sold in, sweetie.
I need to check. I have to make sure you don't hurt my officer.
I'm a hurt an officer.
I don't
I'm in
know.
cuffs, ma'am.
I need to also
I
make sure
cannot
it's
hurt
not a
somebody.
handcuff.
How can you do all that and not have tears? That's what's interesting to me. It's interesting that you're trying to cry without tears. You acted like a child the whole time. That's why you're under arrest.
A child I don't want to get hurt. I have my attorney in the wallet. Please call my attorney right now.
Well, we're not going to talk to him.
Oh my.
Ma'am?
I didn't. I've been taking very much care of your items.
Thank you. Morel, please call my attorney.
Right now she's under arrest for suspicion of DUI.
Why?
I just want to confirm, you just took a necklace?
That's my twin sister. She didn't do anything.
Okay, well, all she had to do
We were just going home.
Ma'am, can I speak?
I'm a 45-year-old woman. I'm not an idiot. And I'm an educated woman. So don't talk to me like I'm an idiot.
The same respect that I get from you.
Please don't talk to me like I'm dumb.
I'm not.
Because I'm a very, very smart woman.
I'm trying to explain to you the process. Purposes, this discussion is going to occur on body-worn camera. So miles an hour, and we stop right here. Upon contact, I made contact with that woman in the driver's seat, Miss, identified by Florida driver's license photo. Glassy eyes, slurred speech. I detected the odor of an unknown alcoholic beverage coming off of her breath. Gathered her information, asked her to exit the vehicle. She starts pulling out the phone. She gave me a little bit more of a hard time going back and forth with me about getting out of the vehicle. I tried to ask her if she had any medical conditions which would affect any of the exercises performed. She started yelling, walking with her hands up, saying that she was scared. She proceeded to start walking down the white fog line without being told to do so. I then got her to about where she's standing with Officer Rigney over there. I kept telling her, please lower your hands. She kept saying she doesn't have a weapon. At no point was a weapon drawn on her. At no point was my hand on my gun, kind of weapon that would harm us. She kept saying she'd do whatever that we needed to do, but kept her arms in the air and would not approach me because the HGN has to be conducted. I held the stimulus device in front of her face. She would not look at it, would not participate. You can hear her over there still hollering. She requested for a supervisor.
Okay.
That's where we're at.
So you're making an arrest based on your observation?
Yes, sir. She did not dispel my concern that she was driving under the influence, and I tried to explain that to her. However, she kept talking over.
She put me in their driveway before.
What did she do wrong?
Well, she was speeding, and we believe she may be under the influence. All right, what's going to happen is she's going to be transported to the Palm Beach County Jail, where she'll be released after 8 hours from right now. Okay? Or impaired.
Well, how do you know she was intoxicated? Because of something you believe?
Because
that's a belief.
Whatever Officer Flink saw. He's the DUI officer. He's the one that pulled you guys over.
Hi, I'm Sergeant Leffler.
At the station, she refused to cooperate with the breathalyzer test, which could lead to further violation of Florida's implied consent law under SES 316.1932. Refusal to submit to testing results in an automatic 1-year license suspension, which can be used as evidence in court.
Of being intoxicated and he can smell alcohol or whatever. I had to go to the bathroom because I was trying to go to the ladies' room, okay?
Okay.
But when he pulled me up, he accused me. As soon as he accused me, it made me defensive and I was afraid. I'm not doing anything. He said, come out and walk a straight line. Problems. And then he said, no, you're not complying. I'm going to arrest you. For what? I don't know. I've never been in trouble. You checked my thing. I got out. I walked this straight line. Okay. Now I'm in handcuffs.
All right, well, there's a series of tasks.
I have no weapons or anything.
One of the major things of those tasks is listening to instruction.
Understand why I'm being detained.
Well, you're under arrest now.
Under arrest for what, sir?
Suspicion of DUI.
I don't have any DUI.
So when I came out, she was instruction. She just kept
I
yelling.
said, I want to make sure I don't. I will listen to anything he do. Ma'am, I'm not going to run at all.
Are you done,
I don't
sir?
need to. What do you want me to do?
We're going this way.
I'm complying, ma'am.
Okay, you're gonna go in here.
Please.
So that you put your.
I'm complying.
Watch your head.
Please don't hurt me. I'm complying. I'm totally complying.
I understand.
She's getting released in 8 hours regardless. An attorney's not getting her out.
She don't need to be.
You
She's
do.
arrested. I'm 45 years old being arrested for what?
Driving under the influence.
Can I get an alcohol test or something?
You'll get all that at the.
Do the test. It's not going to say I'm under the influence at all.
Officer Flink will explain everything to you, okay?
When I came out, the officer, the DUI officer, was trying to give her instructions, explaining to her, listen, if we don't do this, I have to go on fuse. She was given the we call them Taylor warnings twice. It's basically saying, we're going to take you on what we have right now if you're refusing to do these tasks to show. Literally just kept screaming and don't get near me and you don't get near me and I'm afraid. And
yeah, but I'm asking.
The first part of it, she will be given the breathalyzer, which she kept saying she wanted to take. If she wants to take her alcohol,
You couldn't do it right on the spot. No.
We couldn't even get her to do any basic tasks, all this stuff, and that's where we're at. She didn't want to participate on the tasks that needed to be done. You don't want to do them, so drive off. So
You guys have anything else for us? Appreciate you coming to pick up the car. We didn't want to tow it. Gentlemen, thanks for coming.
Ultimately, the suspect was charged with DUI and resisting arrest without violence. Court records reveal that she later pled guilty to one of the charges, resulting in a license suspension and other penalties.
Just throw it in the car for me. Just, nope, you don't have to get back in. Nope, nope, nope. Nope.
If you thought that the two incidents above were shocking, wait until you see what's coming next. The second story takes things to an entirely new level, and trust me, you won't believe how it all unfolds. The incident occurred on August 7, 2023, when a serious traffic accident prompted law enforcement to the scene. Among the parties involved, one driver displayed signs of extreme impairment, raising suspicions of driving under the influence.
So she was continually ramming it?
Yeah, like I said, she was still in drive when I got here. I had to tell her to put it in the car. Wasn't trying to get away, but just, like I said, it was kind of on autopilot.
Okay.
I had to take the keys and everything, so.
How are you? Is everything okay? What happened? I can't hear you. You gotta speak up for me, okay? What was that? You don't know? You don't know what happened? Do you have your driver's license on you? Do you have your registration and insurance at all? You do? Can you grab it for me? Hey brother, how are you? My name's Deputy Price with the Sheriff's Office. What happened, man?
Yeah.
Okay, you don't have to move your head for me, okay? Do you mind just telling me what happened exactly?
So I was almost at a complete stop.
Okay.
There was one car in front of me.
In India?
Yeah.
Okay, brother. Do you happen to have your registration on you? Is the address on your... it's okay if you can't grab it, man. I understand with the neck, I'm not going to...
It's license right here.
Do you still live...
Yes, sir.
Awesome, brother. What's a good phone number? Yep.
Can I already get her info?
She's so out of it. Just she's had it. I asked her to give it to me, but she hasn't given it to me.
I'll try again.
I'm thinking it's going to probably be drugs and alcohol.
She's talking about neck band.
I got a rescue coming.
Okay, brother. You want to get transported over to the hospital?
Yes, sir. I believe it's on the passenger side of the floor.
Hey, listen, brother. I ain't worried about that. I'm worried about you. A driver that hit you appears to... So whatever hospital they're going to be transporting you to, DUI investigation with her.
Okay.
And then I'm going to come over and I'm going to give you the paperwork. She is going to be issued a citation, obviously, for the crash. But I'll meet you over there, brother. But
yeah, thank you.
You ain't got nothing to worry about, okay? Take care of yourself.
Okay.
Just so you can remember, my name is Deputy Price. Like the Price is Right, okay?
All right.
And you still live at that address, right?
I live at this one.
The one in... what would you like to have happen with your car? Would you like us to call a tow for it? Or do you want us to move it over to the Wawa?
If you want us to call for a tow, the tow will work with your insurance company. We can give you that information as well.
Okay, yeah, let's go ahead and do that.
Emanating from her person, not much of her breath, because she is not speaking. Divide her attention. She has glassy, bloodshot, watery eyes, constricted pupils, all general indicators of impairment by
We'll bounce my car up, and then we can fall behind the rest. Gotta be fine. And then we'll take off. Okay.
Upon approaching the driver, the officers noted clear indicators of intoxication. After multiple requests, the driver struggled to exit the vehicle, compounding suspicions of impairment. The situation took an unusual turn when further investigation revealed that her intoxication stemmed from consuming vanilla extract, a shocking and unprecedented cause.
Hopping out of the car for me, okay? Do you mind hopping out of the car for me? Miss Mc... Can you step out of the car for me? Can you step out of the car for me? Miss Hiccuping. Miss, can you exit the vehicle for me? Miss, are you understanding what I'm asking you? Okay, you don't understand what I'm asking you? I'm asking you to exit the vehicle for me, please, okay? So that involves turning your legs all the way outside of the car and then stepping using your 2 feet out of the vehicle, okay? Do you mind performing that task I've asked of you, please?
Hey, Chase.
Yeah.
I'm gonna move my car up here real quick.
If you need to move my Crown Vic, okay? Do you mind hopping out of the vehicle for me? Exit the vehicle for me, please. Miss, step out of the car. Can you please exit the vehicle for me? Nope, don't go back in. Don't go back in. Miss, exit the vehicle. Get out of the car. I'm asking you once again, exit the vehicle. My name is Deputy Price, Sheriff's Office. I want to... Nope, there's no need to hold my hand, okay? So at this moment in time, I am going to inform you of something, okay? So I am changing hats. Oh, no, there's no need to hold my hand, okay? Changing hats, okay? from a civil traffic crash investigation into a criminal DUI investigation, okay? You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can be used against you in court. You have the right to have an attorney present now at any time during questioning. If you talk to me, you have the right to stop answering questions or speak to an attorney at any time. Do you understand each of these rights? Mind taking a look at me? Do you wear glasses at all? You do wear glasses? Are you wearing contacts? Do you mind taking a look at me? Are you wearing glasses? Are you wearing contacts right now? Diabetes? You can shake your head up and down for yes and side to side for no, okay? Are you epileptic? Do you have epilepsy? No? Your contacts that you have in, are they hard or soft? Hard? How long have they been in for? How long have your contacts that you have on right now been in for? How long have they been in for? What time do you think it is right now?
First, her impaired condition and inability to safely control her vehicle violated Florida Statute SES 316.193, which prohibits driving under the influence, DUI. DUI involving serious bodily injury, as in this case, is a third-degree felony, punishable by up to 5 years in prison, fines of up to $5,000, and a minimum 3-year license revocation. The severity of these penalties underscores the life-threatening danger impaired drivers pose to others. Further examination of the driver revealed more troubling signs. She exhibited physical symptoms such as trembling limbs and hiccups, which suggested her body was in distress. Despite her apparent need for medical attention, she was unable to coherently answer questions or comply with instructions during field sobriety tests. The officers proceeded with the tests as protocol required, but eventually determined that she was too impaired to complete them.
How much alcohol have you consumed today? You mind taking a look at me? How much alcohol have you consumed today? How much alcohol have you consumed today? Are you willing to perform a series of standardized field sobriety exercises in order to dispel my fears, influence of an alcoholic beverage controlled substance or chemical substance to the point that your normal faculties are impaired? It's a yes or no question, ma'am. Yes? Do you mind just taking the lead that they put on you and just place it right there in the car for me? Just throw the lead in the car? Just, nope, you don't have to get back in. Nope. No, step back out for me, okay? Step back out from me, okay? Oh, thank you for the gift, okay? Step back out for me, okay? Okay? I can't have you holding on to anything, okay? So I'm gonna have you come over here to me, okay? All right, just stop right there, okay? What I want you to do is I want you to put your feet together for me, all the way, like how I've got my feet, okay? All right, that's not all the way together, but that's good enough. I want you to take your arms and I want you to put them down by your side for me, okay? All right, go ahead and put your arms down by your side for me, okay? Don't move from this position until I tell you to do so. Do you understand? Nope, don't move, okay? Put your feet back together for me, okay? Don't move from this position until all the way down by your side. Arms down by your side. Don't move from this position until I tell you to do so. Do you understand? Nope, feet back together. See how I'm like this? Feet together. Arms down by your side. Don't move from this position. I need a verbal yes or no. Yes? Okay. What color is this? No, what color is the tip of my pen here? This color right here that I'm pointing to is black. Put your arms back down to your side for me, okay? So once again, I'm gonna have you follow the tip of your pen with my pen with your eyes and your eyes only. Don't move your head, do you understand? You're gonna follow the tip of my pen with your eyes and your eyes only. You're not gonna move your head, okay? Do you have any questions as it relates to the exercise? You don't understand my instructions? No, you don't understand my instructions, or yes, you do understand my instructions? Okay, go ahead and put your arms back down by your side for me, okay? I'm gonna go and begin. Take a look at my pen for me, okay? Remember, follow with your eyes and your eyes only. Nope, arms down by your side. All right. She's too impaired in order to perform the exercise. Do you mind just going and put your hands behind your back for me? So, you are under arrest for DUI with serious bodily injury. Do you have anything on you that's going to poke me or stick me? Any guns, knives, drugs, illegal weapons, anything like that? I'm going to adjust this other cuff. Extremely small wrists. So if you have any, we're going to walk over to my car, okay? It's the car behind this one. Do you have anything on you that's going to poke me or stick me? Any guns, knives, drugs, illegal weapons? So if you have anything on you that can be considered a leaving of corrections, okay? Your mouth for me, okay? Okay, what I'm going to have you do is I'm going to have you take a seat in the back of my patrol car here, okay? And that's all the way in, okay?
During this process, officers found 21 bottles of vanilla extract in her vehicle. Vanilla extract, which contains high concentrations of alcohol, was identified as the source of her intoxication. Consuming large amounts of vanilla extract can result in alcohol poisoning, causing the level of impairment observed in this case. This discovery astonished officers, marking one of the most unusual DUI cases they had encountered. In this case, the presence of open containers of alcohol in the vehicle violated Florida statute, SIS 316.1936, which prohibits the possession of open alcoholic containers in the driver's area. This is a non-criminal infraction punishable by fines up to $500.
Yeah. Oh, that might be like... That might not be alcohol. Vanilla extract? 5, 6, 7, 10, 11, 12, 13. What? 14, 15, 18, 19. Plus the bottles that are here on the floor too. So 21 bottles of vanilla extract. Oh, here's Walmart, 5511 Deep Lake Road, 92222. Okay. I mean, FD said her sugar was fine. So I've never seen this before. I'm literally gonna Google what happens if you drink a bunch of vanilla extract. Yeah. Just go to finish the DUI. It calls alcohol poisoning because I guess vanilla extract's got alcohol in it. Hand warmer for Florida. More containers of vanilla extract. Nothing else of note? Yeah.
After that, the driver was placed under arrest. She was charged with DUI with serious bodily injury and additional violations, including possession of open containers of alcohol. This incident serves as a stark reminder of the unpredictable and often bizarre ways. While the method of intoxication might have been unconventional, the consequences of her actions were no less severe. That's all for today's episode. Which Karen left the biggest impression on you? Share your thoughts in the comments. If you enjoyed this episode, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to CopStream for more real cases and law enforcement insights. Hit the notification bell to stay updated on all the latest episodes. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.